let me show you how to save a video from your Google Drive using your cell phone. Hey everyone, how's it going? It's Jewel Tolentino here from Essetinomedia, and on this channel, we show you how to create profitable content. Alright, so I get this question all the time. How do you actually save a video from your Google Drive on your mobile using your cell phone? Because it is kind of confusing. It's easy to do it on the desktop, it's obvious, but on the phone it's not. So let me show you how to do that. Alright, so let's head over to the Google Drive. I'm here on my cell phone right now. So let's open up the Google Drive app on your phone. You need to be signed in order to save the video from your Google Drive. I'm going to click the Google Drive that I've got. Now, first thing you want to do is search for the video that you want to save. And for example purposes, I've got this one right here where it says 92-unlocking higher commissions. I'm just going to save this video to my cell phone. Now, there's a couple of different ways. You can actually click into the video, make sure it's the video that you actually want, and then click the three dots, or you can just start off by clicking the three dots. Let's go back into the video to make sure that it's the right video. And to save a copy of this on your phone, like in your media, click the three dots. Now, most people think it's make a copy, but it's actually send a copy. So let me click on that. When you scroll down here, you'll see the option to save video. That is going to save the video to your media folder on your phone. So I'm going to click save video, and then I'm going to exit out of this and go to my media. And you'll see right here, I'm in my albums of media, photos and videos. The video is right here. And so that's how you save it from Google Drive to your mobile phone. So make sure that you don't click make a copy because it's just going to make a copy within the drive. So that's how you do it. Really super simple. If I was able to help you out, please let me know by hitting the thumbs up button. That would be greatly appreciated. And if you want to know how our YouTube channel makes money by creating tutorials like this, simple tutorials, head down to the description below and you'll find a free training. It goes over how we're able to create over 5 figures a month from our YouTube channel, creating simple tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.